Hey guys, in this tutorial we're going to look at how to create a moving platform. So firstly, let's create a blueprint actor. So pp_platform we'll call it. Let's open this up. Now I'm just going to use a cube for my platform, but you might have a specific mesh that you'd like to use instead. So I'm going to call this static mesh underscore platform. And the mesh is going to be a cube. There we go. Now let's scale this around a bit. Let's compile that. I'm just going to drag this into my level so I can see the size of it. Now I might make this a little bit bigger. Just a tiny bit. Like so. Now I'm happy with that, so let's move this over. Let's go back into our blueprint. So after that, we're going to go over to event begin play, because we want this platform to move over to this side and backwards from the start, and we want it to constantly move, so we want a bit of a loop going as well. So firstly, let's create a timeline. And let's call this move platform. Right, and then we're going to want to update the relative location of our platform, like so. So let's compile that quickly. Now if we go back to our level, we're going to want to go from this location, so 2005, over to 2490. So what we can do, that 2490 from 2005, was it? Yeah, from 2005. So if we just say, for argument's sake, we want to move this 400 units. So if we click on this, let's create a new float track. Let's create 2 keys. Let's put this one to 0. And for argument's sake, let's say we want the platform to move for 5 seconds. We can change this value later, and let's change this to 450, and then we can tweak that later if need be. So now that we have this new track, we're going to want to split this pin, and we're going to want to grab the wire location, I believe, and then we'll hit compile. Now let's go back to the level and let's see what this does. So we can see that our platform is moving very slowly to the other side, which is perfect. Now once that has finished, we are going to want to do exactly the same, but in reverse. So let's just copy and paste this for now, and then once it's finished, we will reverse from end. And then once this one's finished, we'll go play from start. So this effectively creates a nice little loop for us. So if we compile this and then go back into our level, if we wait 5 seconds, our platform will go to the other side, and then once it hits the end, it will bounce back, and then should also then repeat like so. And that is it, guys. That is how you create a moving platform in Unreal Engine 5. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out my other videos, and I will see you in the next one.